Hi students, in my earlier video you have learned what is algebra. In the last part of the video I have already discussed regarding addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. I think that is not sufficient for you. For this, let us learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions properly. For this, let us remember addition of numeric values. Suppose 15 plus 7 minus 8. Just think what would be the value equals to 15 plus 7 means 22 minus 8, that is 14. In algebraic expression we write 15x plus 7x minus 8x. So it will be 22x minus 8x, that is 14x. Here you see x, the same variable. Again just see 3 plus 5 plus 7 minus 9 minus 2 minus 3. What is the value of this? Here we write, suppose it is right 3 plus 5 plus 7, we take common, minus we take common because all these are negative. So here we write 9 plus 2 plus 3. Here we see it is 15 and it is 14. So it will be 1. Suppose in algebra what is done? Suppose it is 3x minus 9x plus 5x minus 2x plus 7x minus 3x. We have already learned all positive to be taken, 3x plus 5x plus 7x, and all take common minus negation to be taken common, and 9x minus it will be plus 2x plus 3x. It will be 15x and this will be 14x. So it will be 1x, that is x. 1x means 1 into x means x. So there is no basic difference between arithmetic addition and algebraic addition. Only one thing you have to consider, the variable. Let us consider the problem in other way. The same number but in other way. Suppose this is 3x plus 5y plus 7z minus 9x minus 2y minus 3z. So what happened? We have to group similar terms, like terms are to be taken together. Here 3x minus 9x, then 5y minus 2y, then 7z minus 3z. So this will be minus 6x. Why minus 6x? Here 9 is greater than 3 and the sign of 9 is negative. So it will be negative. And here 5 is more than 2. So the sign of 5 is 2 plus. So it will be 3y. Here is the rule. When there is a difference of sign, it will be subtraction. And the larger the value, the sign of the larger value will be the sign. Here 9 is greater than 3 and sign of 9 is minus. So it will be 6 and here it will be 3 and it will be again, we can write 4z because 7 minus 3 is 4 and z is the variable. So in horizontal addition, in this way we will solve. Now let us add the three algebraic expressions: 3x plus 5y minus 7z, 2x minus 3y, 9x minus 7y plus 13z. Let us follow the two methods. Here horizontal method means we write 3x plus 5y minus 7z plus 2x minus 3y plus 9x minus 7y plus 13z. So it can be written as 3x plus 5y minus 7z plus 2x minus 3y plus 9x minus 7y plus 13z. Here x, x and x, these three are like terms. So 3x plus 2x plus 9x. Here we can write this plus 5y minus 3y minus 7y and minus 7z here no z plus 13z. So simply it is 14x. Here you see 5y minus 10y, that is minus 5y. Here minus 10y, minus 3 minus 7, that is minus 10, minus 10y, and here plus 5y. So the result will be minus 5y. Here it will be 6z. 13z minus 7z equals to 6z. Now see whether further addition can be made or not. Here you see x, y, z, three different variables. So it is not possible to add more. So it is the final answer. Now let us write in how it is solved in vertical method. Vertical addition or vertical method. First write the first term. Here 3x plus 5y minus 7z. Here we see 2x minus 3y, no z is there, so it will be vacant. Here 9x minus 7y plus 13z. So now add here 14x minus 5y plus 6z. Here you see minus 7 minus 3y minus 7y, so minus 10y plus 5y. So in this way you can solve this, and obviously it takes less time than that of this. Now let us subtract a square b plus ab square from a cube plus 2a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In horizontal method, horizontal subtraction, we can write, first write this in mathematical form. Here we have to subtract this from that part. So it will be taken first a cube plus 2a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Then subtraction means minus of that. And it will be a cube minus, here you see here is plus and here is minus, outside the bracket is minus, and both the numbers are positive. So whenever the bracket is open, it will be a square b minus a b square. So here see, let us here see, here is a square b and here 2 a square b. So first take them in a group. Here is no a cube, so a cube left alone plus 2a square b minus a square b plus 3ab square. Here you see ab square, that is minus ab square plus b cube equals to a cube. Here 2a square b and here 1 a square b, so it will be a square b, only 1 a square b, that is a square b, and here 3ab square and minus ab square, that is 2ab square plus b cube. So it is the simple way, and this method is frequently used. So please follow this rule carefully. Write a cube plus 2a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here you see a square b, so it will be written as a square b just below the number and plus ab square plus ab square. Since we have to subtract these from that, so what we know, here is also plus, then we have to change the sign. So here we see a cube is alone, here 2 a square b minus a square b, that is a square b, 1 a square b, I mean 1 a square b means a square b. Here 3ab square minus ab square, that is 2ab square plus b cube. So you see here is in this part no a cube term and no b cube term. So this should be vacant, and you just put the variables of same type, same group. Here you see a square b, here also see a square b, so it takes together and you will get the result. Let us see another problem. What algebraic expression will you get when 5x square plus 7y square plus 2xy plus 9 is increased by x square minus y square plus 7xy minus 2? So what we get? Here is the first term, 5x square plus 7y square plus 2xy plus 9. As per question, it is increased by this. That is, this number is added by this number. So you have to first understand the very language, mathematical, how these two algebraic expressions are related. Here it is already told this is increased by this. So this number to be added here. So write down x square minus y square plus 7xy minus 2. So the result will be, simply add this 6x square plus 6y square plus 9xy plus 7. You see what algebraic expression will you get. This is the algebraic expression. Students, now let us solve another problem, that is problem of substitution. Here find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, where a equal to 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to, sorry, a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equals to minus 3. So you see what is the expression? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Let us put the value a equal to 1 here, that is 1 cube, plus b equal to 2, so 2 cube, plus c equal to minus 3, that is minus 3 whole to the power cube, minus 3 into a means 1, b means 2 and c means minus 3. As it is negative, so it should be written in a bracket, within a bracket. So what is the value of this? 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 cube equals to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 into 2, that is 8. Here is 8, and I have already told minus to the power odd number, that is it is negative, it should be negative, and 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, 9 into 3, that is 27. So it will be 27. Now this will be minus and minus here. So multiplication of two same sign, that is negative, is positive. Minus 3 into minus 3 equals to 9 into 2, that is 18. Here you see it is 9 minus 27 plus 18 equals to 9 plus 18 minus 27, that is 27 minus 27 equals to 0. So I think this part is very easy. You simply put the value in the expression and take calculation properly. Students, now let us calculate one more substitution. Suppose we have to find out the value of x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square, where or when x equal to 2, y equals to 4, z equals to 6 and a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and z and c equals to suppose 3. Here suppose it is minus 6. So what would be the value of this? Let us write the expression x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square. Here put the value of x, that is 2 square by a square means 1 square plus y square means 4 square by b square means 2 square plus z square means minus 6 whole square by c square means minus 3 whole square. So we can get it 2 square means 4 by 1 plus 4 square means 16 by 4 and plus minus 6 whole square, minus 6 square means plus and 6 square means 36 by 3 square means 9. So it will be 4. It will also be 4. Now we get 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12. So putting the values of variables in an expression and finding the solution, it is not tough. So students, please follow these 3-part addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions and finding the value of algebraic expressions where values of independent variables, that is variables, are given. So you simply solve this carefully, and I think this will lead you to overcome your problems. Students, during this lockdown period, I will continue your guidance for teaching every day. So I request you to subscribe my channel, like my channel if you like, if you prefer this, and share this channel to your friends and relatives and associates